Today we'll discuss finding the cube root of numbers by prime factorization and estimation of cube roots of numbers. So square roots and cube roots exercise 6.5 part 1. Find the cube root of the following numbers by prime factorization. 343 can be written as 7 into 7 into 7. So the cube root is 7. 729 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So we take 1 3 from each set. So the cube root is 3 into 3, which is 9. 1331 can be written as 11 into 11 into 11. So the cube root of 1331 is 11. 2744 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. So we take 1 2 from first set and 1 7 from second set and multiply them. So the cube root of 2744 is 2 into 7 14. Find the cube root of the following numbers through estimation. So we have a procedure to find the cube root through estimation. What is that? First we start making groups of 3 digits starting from the units place. Here only 3 numbers are there, so 512, this entire thing becomes one group. Okay, so 512 is the first group. This first group gives us the units digit of the cube root of this number. How? 512 gives the units digit of the cube root. Here what is in the units place? It is 2 is in the units place. So we have to find out what digit in the units place of the cube root gives us 2 as the units digit of the cube. 8 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 4 into 8 is 32. So 2 units place means we have cube root has 8 in the units place. Therefore cube root is 8. 2197. See here we have two groups. 197 is in the first group and 2 is in the second group. Okay, first we separate the given number into two groups. Step 2. 197. Take the first group now. 197 is in the first group. What is in the units place of the first group? It is 7. So what units place of the cube root gives us 7? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So 7 in the units place of cube means 3 should be in the units place of cube root. Therefore units place of cube root is 3. Now take the second group, which is 2. Now we have to find out which cubes this 2 lies between. Between two cubes. This 2 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. So 1 cube less than 2 cube. Now we have to take the smallest number of these two. So which is smaller, 1 or 2? 1. So the smaller number is 1. So this becomes the tens place of the cube root. So what is the cube root? Tens place is 1 and units place is 3. So the cube root is 13. Now 3375. We'll understand this better if we take this example. First separate this given number into two groups. 375 is one group, 3 is another group. That is the first step. Now step 2. Take the first group, which is 375. What is in the units place of first group? 5. So units place of cube root should be 5 because 5 into 5 into 5 will have units place also as 5. Therefore units place of cube root is 5. So this is done. Now step 3. We have to find the tens place of cube root. Now 3 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. Okay. So 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. So 3 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. Of these, what is the smaller number? 1 or 2? 1 is the smaller number. Therefore 1 becomes the tens place of cube root. So now we know the tens place, which is 1. Now we also know the units place, which is 5. So what is the cube root? 15 is the cube root. Similarly 5832. Separate this into two groups. 832 is the first group. 5 is the second group. Now take 832, which is the first group. What is the units place of 832? It is 2. So units place of cube root is 8 because 8 into 8 into 8 will give units place as 2 in the cube. Therefore 8 8s are 64 8s are 4 8s are will be 2. It will have 32 will have 2 as units place. So the units place of the cube root is 8. Now take the second group, which is 5. 5 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube. What is the smaller number? 1 or 2? 1. Therefore tens place of cube root is 1. We now know tens place which is 1. We also know the units place which is 8. Therefore, the cube root is 18. Like this, we estimate the cube roots of numbers. If you like my video,